Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter number 7 Fun with Text Paint. In this chapter, we will be able to know more about text paint, learn more about tools and control used in text paint. Okay, so let's start. So, TextPaint is an easy to use drawing program. It has lots of interesting tools and stamps that let us create beautiful drawing. Also, it has sound effects that makes working in it more enjoyable. So, today we can going to learn about TextPaint. It is easy to use drawing program. So, in by using this program, we can draw beautiful drawings, and also it has sound effects that makes working in it more enjoyable. Okay, so now we are going to learn how to start a text paint. So step 1, type text paint in the search box near to start button. Then step number 2, click on text paint or text paint full screen option. Okay, then you will type that one. Then you will, after 15 seconds, the title screen goes away and the main screen appears. So you can see one picture. So same like this one will be open in your computer. Okay, so by using two steps, you can open one text paint. So first one, you type text paint and then you can click the text paint or text paint full screen option. Okay. Okay, next, the toolbar has many tools that helps to draw pictures. When it opens, when a text paint is open, there is so many tools. So you have to find out, so you have to study which are the tools you can see in the text paint. Okay, so many tools are there: stamp tool, shape tools, label tool, magic tool, reload button, new button, save button, quit button. Next side, print button, open button, eraser button, undo button, text tool, lines tool, paint tool. So there are a lot of tools are there. So you have to study which are the tools there. Okay, then let us learn more about text paint tools. First, we can do paint tool. Okay, the paint tool is like a pencil. You can use this tool for freehand drawing. So, first one, paint tool, it's like a pencil. So, it can be used tool for freehand drawing. So, we can study how to take a paint tool. So, when you are open, you can see the text paint canvas or drawing canvas. So in that one, you can select first option, that is paint tool from the toolbar. Step 1, you click the paint tool from the toolbar. So before drawing, you have to study which are the tools you can see in the text paint. Okay, so first one, you have to click the paint tool from the toolbar. Step 2, click on any brush from the selector. Selector you can see on the next side, that means right side of the laptop or computer. So selector, you can go the selector, there is you can see so many brushes, so you can select any brush. Then step 3, click and choose a color from the color box. So in the down you can see colors, so there you have to select any color. Then step number 4, move the painter to the drawing canvas. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag the mouse to draw on a drawing canvas. When you finish drawing, release the mouse. Okay, so first one, you click a paint tool from the toolbar, then select any brush from the selector, then choose a color from color box, then move the pointer to the drawing canvas. Keeping the left button press key, drag the mouse draw on the drawing canvas. When you finish drawing, release the mouse. Okay. Okay, after paint tool of you have to draw by using the paint tool, you have to draw one picture. So I think paint tool is clear. So first one, click paint tool from the toolbox, then click any brush from the selector, Then choose any color from color box. Then draw one picture in the drawing canvas by using mouse keep on pressed. Okay. So after finishing your paint tool, now we have move on eraser tool. So once again I'll repeat, you have to study the tools in the text paint. Okay. Then second one is eraser tool. So same like paint tool, you have to select one eraser tool in the toolbox. Then when you are taking the eraser in the next side, that means the right side of the monitor, you can see so many boxes, that is called selector. So you have to choose a size of the eraser from the selector. Okay, first you click a eraser in the tool from the toolbox. Then click a choose a size from the eraser from the selector. Then step 3, move the pointer to the drawing canvas, keeping the left mouse button pressed. Drag the mouse pointer over the part of the picture to be erased. When you finish erase, release the mouse. Okay, so I think it's also clear. So same like paint tool, you have to select one erase tool, then take one eraser tool from the toolbox, then choose the size from the eraser from the selector. Then you have to move the pointer to the drawing canvas, keep the left mouse button pressed, drag the mouse pointer over the part where you have to erase. Then after finishing the erase, you have to release the mouse. Okay. So next we can move on lines tool. So first we finished paint tool, second erase tool, then this one line tools. So as the name mentioned, same like the line tools is used to draw straight line of the various shapes. Okay, so first click the lines tool from the toolbar. Then click the choose a color from the color box. Then click the select as thickness and style of the line from the selector. Okay. So keeping the left mouse button press, move the mouse pointer to the drawing canvas. When you finish drawing, release the mouse. Okay. So line tool, you have to click the line tool from the toolbox, toolbar, and immediately to the next side, right side of the monitor, you can see selector. Then you have to choose a color. Down there is color will become, so you have to select one color step, that is step 2. Then step 3, select the thickness and style of the line from the selector. Okay, then keep the left mouse button press, then move the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas. When you finish drawing, release the mouse. Next one is shape tools. The shape tool is used to draw, fill and unfill shapes like oval, rectangle and triangle. So click first step 1, click the shapes tool from the toolbar. Then step 2, click and choose a shape from the selector. Okay, first you select a shape from the toolbar, then choose a shape from the selector. Next one, step number 3, click a color from the color box. Then step 4, move the pointer to the drawing canvas, keeping the left mouse button pressed. Stretch the shape out from the where you click. Move around the mouse pointer to rotate the shape. Left click the mouse button again. The shape will be drawn in the selected color. So shape tool is used to draw, fill and unfill shapes like oval, rectangle and triangle. So for using that one, you have to select first step shapes tool from toolbar. Step 2, click the choose a shape from the selector. So second option, you have to select one shape. Then third one, you have to select a color. Then draw a picture in the drawing canvas. Okay, that's about shapes tool. Next one is text tool. The text tool is used to type message in the drawing canvas. Text message like, so you have to type any messages in the drawing canvas. For that, you have to use first step, click on the text tool, then click the choose a letter style from the selector. Then the selector, you can select a type, a style of writing. Then step 3, click the choose color from the color box. Then click the drawing canvas. A blinking line called cursor appears. Then type your message. Okay. So first you have to select click tool. Then select a letter style. Then choose a color. Then you have to click on the drawing canvas. There is a blinking like cursor will become. Then you have to type your message. And the next one is magic tool. As the name mentioned, this is a magic tool, the set of many special tools. You can make different effect using this tool. For this using, you have to select, first click the magic tool. Then step 2, choose a magic effect from the selector. Okay, from the selector you can select one magic effect. Then move the pointer to the drawing canvas. Keep the left mouse button pressed. Drag the mouse to draw on the drawing canvas. When you finish drawing, release the mouse. Okay. So first magic tool, you have to, step 1, you have to click a magic tool. Then step 2, choose a magic effect from the selector. Then draw a picture by using mouse. After finishing your drawing, you release the mouse. Okay, here is a hint. Use paint, lines and shapes tool to create a picture. You can use the magic tool, fill to color, using the fill to fill color in the shapes. Okay, next one is stamp tool. The stamp tool works like a sticker or rubber stamp. It lets you place different pictures in the drawing. So you want to place a stamp tool or place different pictures in the drawing. You have to select, click the stamp tool from the toolbar. Then use 2 arrows button to move through the various type of stamps such as animal, plants, people. So click on any stamp of the selector. Adjust the size of this stamp with the help of control key also. You can see in the picture. Here you can see control. Then step 4, move the pointer to the drawing canvas and you have to select one position and place the stamp. Okay. So there it has also 4 steps. First one, select one stamp tool. Then you can see various animals, place, plants, people, everything from the selector. So you can select one stamp and adjust the size by using the control key in the bottom of the selector. Then you go to the drawing canvas and drawing the picture. You have to select one place, then draw it. Next, let us learn other keys in the toolbar such as new, save, open. So new button is used to start a new drawing. New, as the name mentioned, new button is used to start a new drawing. So step 1, click the new button from the toolbar. You will be shown a list of color of pictures. Then step 2, click the desired color. This color will be selected the background color of the picture. Then click the open option. You can now start working on a new picture. Okay, step 1, new button. You have to click a new button from the toolbar and you can see a list of color or pictures. Then step 2, click on the desired color. It will be the background color of the picture. And step 3, click on the open option. Okay, next one, save. The save button is used to save pictures so that you can open it at the later date. To save your drawing, click on the save button on the toolbar. Next one is open. The open button is used to open any picture that you have saved earlier. So step 1, click on the open button. A list of saved picture you will be appeared. And step 2, click on the picture to be open. Click on the open button. The picture will be open. Okay. First you have to click the open button. So you can see a list of saved pictures will be appeared. So step 2, click on the picture to be opened. Which one you want to open? So you please click on that. then click on the open button, the picture will be open. Okay, and the last one is quit. When you click on the quit button, it closes the text paint window. So when you click the quit button, it will be close, the text paint will be close. Okay, so these all are from this chapter. So in this chapter dealing so many buttons from the text paint. First one, the introduction of the text paint, and we can start uh, text paint, and there are so many tools are there. First you have to study how to open a text paint. Next one, you have to study about so many tools, many types of tools in the box, text paint options. And in page number 58, you have to fill in the box in the given figure in following words. So you have to study. After study this all, then you can easy to write down those things. So do it. Next one, paint tool, erase tool, line tool, shapes tool, text tool, magic tool, stamp tool. Next, other controls such as new, save, open, quit. So these are the main things in this chapter. So I hope you understood this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.